Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best fishing leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. First, we're going to select small businesses, and we are going to go to fishing. No, sorry, we are going to go to Seattle. It's early in the morning, and we are choosing Seattle. As you can see, it has access to the Pacific Ocean, massive seafood culture, lots of seafood markets and such. So, yeah, big industries or a lot of like big commercial fishing as well as like recreational as well. So that next we are going to do fishing for our industry. We should see lots of fishing companies, so we're going to add that. We see the fishing companies in our sanity check there. We are looking for owners and founders today and directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case that owner has a C-suite title, it'll account for that case. So the first filter I'm gonna do is I like to do Google reviews, and I like to set this between a 3 and a 5. The benefit for you is you're filtering companies that just have like a great relationship with their clients and customers, and thus they're gonna have a great relationship with you. They're gonna be easier to work with. You're not gonna have to be chasing them for payment. They have a good reputation. So next, um, our next, our next filter we're gonna do is we're gonna do a Google Map search position between a 6 and a 12, 6 and a 15. Sorry, anything higher than 15, they obviously just don't care about SEO. Very important if you're a marketer. Also, like if there's 15 better options, like people are just gonna go with that. That's basically like probably like 95 of the market share from 1 to 15. Anything lower than a 6, these people are the top dogs of their industry. They're probably already working with marketers to get their search position that high. And if you do get a chance to work with them, they're probably going to be a little bit harder to deal with. People with who achieve that much success in their industry tend to be a bit more rigid when it comes to ideas. So it's like, even if you do sell your services to them, you're probably more of like a task monkey at the end of the day, which is not a great position to be in. So we're gonna move on to our deliver. I'm just going to reset all of these. You really want to look at the marketing ones today. So for instance, like all the Google ones are good, but GMB claimed, if they're in the between 6 and 15 in their search map position and their business isn't claimed, that's like a pretty easy sale. Like, their business not being claimed is the problem, you fixing it is the solution. We're gonna ignore direct dials, we're gonna direct email. I'm just gonna add and remove that. The social media profile is really important, really insightful. If they have good social media but bad SEO or vice versa, like you could probably move around the budget quite a bit for them. Revenue, headcount, and data established. This is like pretty insightful for the fishing industry, I feel like. You are going to especially if you're trying to take your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads, revenue, headcount, data established, super important. Ad pixels are insightful for marketing, and technologies are insightful for, again, lowering down your 100, filtering out your, 20 great leads from the 100 good ones. If you specialize in Google Analytics and their website doesn't have Google Analytics, you can just obviously add that to the package. Makes it easier to sell to the company as well. Search term, search location, and search position, good for good SEO metrics. So yeah, next to finish that off, and we're not going to add additional notes. Make sure to give it a title, set your contacts required. I always save it as a draft, so if I cancel it, I can come back. If I cancel it because I want to change something, I can come back and I'm not starting from scratch. With that being said, we are going to launch it. Fishing in Seattle. It's allocating, which means you'll get your leads back within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best fishing leads using Coldlytics. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.